Welcome to TT's Corner. I want to wish all the ladies happy International Women's Day. And I am hoping that you are celebrating and feeling real good and proud of how far women has come in society. Today, I'm gonna cover a couple of stuff I have seen in the news, and also on social media. I want to touch a topic that really got my blood boiling. It's something I saw on one of my favorite YouTubers page, Dujon World. I saw Alfred Dawes, Member of Parliament, Alfred Dawes. He was being very disrespectful to the elder statesman, Desmond McKenzie. And I am looking at it and I am saying, this is one of the reasons why these young people nowadays have no manners to their elders. None. This is a perfect example. Because, and when I heard him, I said, wow, he's a doctor and he's also an ageist. They were having a meeting and having a discussion, and he told Desmond McKenzie that why is he still there in Parliament? He should be home with grandchildren, and he was just trying to demean Desmond McKenzie. And I am yet to hear the opposition leader, or anyone for that matter, from the People's National Party, end up reprimanding him for what he did, because that was very distasteful. And if Dr. Dawes is a person who is in Parliament, who is supposed to be helping to make laws for the country, and he's behaving like that, the younger generation is going to look at it and says, they can't make laws for me, they can't tell me anything, because look how he's treating somebody who could have been his father. So and they're going to say, those people have no manners, so why should we? Dr. Dawes, you should be ashamed of yourself. And you need to publicly apologize to Desmond McKenzie and to every elder, because there's elderly people who voted for you for your ageist behavior. That's rude and it's unbecoming of a member of Parliament. So please, audience, take a listen of his bad behavior.
Why are you still here at your age? Go man, play with the grandparents, man. Remember, go play with the grandchildren. I agree.
Next up is the man from Westmoreland who carry kitty feelings and hate Miss Chang for her China pum pum. Yes, he is no other than Dwayne Vaz. It's alleged that he, along with his goons, beat up a JLP supporter down there in Westmoreland. You see what I'm talking about? Them now set example. Them now set the example for the young people. You see what me I talk about? Come on, man. You need to do better. Honestly, you really need to do better. Next, I want to talk about a lot of people are, up have their panties up in a bun because they heard that the Cuban doctors and nurses will be going back. But I just want to let you guys know everything. Just calm down. Everything will be all right. Because the government, Dr. Tufton and the Prime Minister, they have everything under control. Because you guys must remember that they had, I think, 536 Jamaican medical students. They gave them scholarships. And the scholarship that they gave them, they let them sign a piece of paper that states after completion, they cannot leave the country to go work elsewhere. They have to give service. They have to work for Jamaica.
Hi, Chris Tufton, your Minister of Health and Wellness. So very excited about the fact that applications can now be received for the Barrowint Memorial Scholarship. Remember, I announced it in my sectoral presentation. This is a scholarship through the government of Jamaica, through the Ministry of Health and Wellness, that offers up to $500 million a year for the next 5 years, $2.5 billion to Jamaicans who are pursuing a career in the field of health. Now, this could be social work, it could be biotech to fix equipment, it could be nursing, doctors, dentistry, pharmacists, lab techs, all the critical areas. In fact, there are 26 areas of health-related careers that we're offering the scholarship for. The scholarships will be awarded $1 million Jamaican dollars a year for up to 5 years, and you can apply online on the Ministry of Health's website. That's www.moh.gov.jm/scholarship. So just go on that and you can submit your application. Application process runs from the 1st of July to the 31st of July. Very excited about this because this is our approach, the government of Jamaica, to address the shortage of healthcare workers by paying for persons to study. And remember, you're bonded for a period once you study to work in the public health system. Go online, apply now. It's well worth it.
See, folks, that's your government in action. So that shows you that Dr. Tufton was prepared. Okay, you can see that's an old video. So everyone, just sit back and relax. The healthcare system will be working. So just watch and watch what the government is doing, because they were thinking ahead. So thank you and God bless you.